Samsung fridge repairing, getting out of demo mode. When it's on demo mode, this will not turn on, they'll be off, these light bulbs. So what you must do, you have to hold the two left buttons that say here hold for 5 seconds. Cooling on and off, hold for 5 seconds. Hold them both down. Here will say 0FF, 0FF. That means it's in demo mode. Once you hold it, you will appear 5cc, 6cc, and there it turns on. So I was checking if it was ice that built up behind the fan, but it wasn't that. So I cleaned it up anyways already. But this was a problem because it was on demo mode. It just like if nothing was working. So that's how you reset it. I thought it was this fuse here because it looked burned because it's just white. But that's how it is. So if these two lights are off and it's not making any noise, the compressor, now it's on. Now it's cooling. So that's how you fix a Samsung model RS26. So I'll do a video and a pictures of how was it showing in the front. But now we have it on, ready to go. Thank you guys.